Forget what the world says. If he removes some people out of your lives he was supposed to, let them people go. Let them people out your life and be what God called. Does it hurt? Yes, but I guarantee you the replacement is greater than you can ever imagine. Get ready for your replacement. It might be your job, might be your friend, it might be the joker you dating. Your replacement will be better than what you got right now. Now, if you don't need a replacement, pray for the thing you got. Turn it over to God and say, Heavenly Father, I surrender all to you.